What's up YouTube, it's the Gizmo Pro with another one. In today's rundown, we're diving into the Samsung Galaxy S24, the S24 Plus, and the S24 Ultra. Samsung just unleashed these three power-packed smartphones, and there's a lot to unpack in terms of both similarities and distinctions. This video aims to break down every nook and cranny of these devices, letting you decide which one aligns best with your preferences. We'll scrutinize the differences and commonalities, and by the end, I'll spill the beans on which one I'd lean towards based on various metrics. Let's dive straight in, starting with the price tags. The S24 Ultra commands $1,300. The S24 Plus tags along at $1,100, and the base S24 enters the scene at $800. Keep these figures in your mental wallet as we navigate through the features. Now, onto the design arena. The S24 stands out with its titanium frame exuding a sleek matte finish. Meanwhile, the S24 Plus and S24 sport Gorilla Glass armor for front and back, but their frames rock armor aluminum, a high-quality material, but a notch below the premium feel of the Ultra. The S24 Ultra also flaunts a square, boxy, professional design, while the S24 Plus and S24 opt for a slightly rounded edges, a familiar look, which some people might prefer. All three devices radiate a premium vibe, with color options adding a personalized touch. For the Galaxy S24 Ultra, we have the titanium black, titanium yellow, titanium violet, and titanium gray, my favorite. The color options for both the S24 and S24 Plus are amber yellow, marble gray, onyx black, and cobalt violet. Shifting focus to displays, the S24 Ultra boasts the largest canvas at 6.8 inches. The S24 Plus isn't far behind at 6.7 inches, and the S24 takes a step back with a 6.2-inch display. All three share a peak brightness of 2600 nits and a dynamic AMOLED setup. The base S24 sacrifices a bit of resolution due to its smaller size, offering a full high-definition plus, while the Ultra and Plus models rock quad high-definition Plus displays. Despite these nuanced differences, all screens flaunt a 120Hz refresh rate, seamlessly adapting between 1Hz and 120Hz to optimize battery life. On the software front, a uniform One UI 6.1 interface with Android 14 runs the show across the lineup, ensuring consistent features and AI capabilities. The good news is, every single one of these devices are going to have the AI features built into them with the exact same functionality. So when you do go to the settings, for example, and go to advanced features, you are going to see these generative AI features, and they are in fact available in all three smartphones to their maximum potential. The S24, however, stands alone in offering S Pen functionality, introducing an extra layer of convenience and creativity. Let's dive into performance and storage options. All devices pack a Snapdragon H Gen 3 processor, ensuring robust performance. RAM capacities vary, with the S24 Ultra and S24 Plus sporting a baseline of 12 GB, while the S24 starts at 8 GB. Storage options extend from 128 GB to 1 TB for the S24 Ultra, 256 GB to 512 GB for the S24 Plus, and 128 to 256 GB for the base S24. Camera aficionados, brace yourselves. The S24 Ultra steals the limelight with its quad camera setup, a 200 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 50 megapixel 5x optical zoom telephoto, and a 10 megapixel 3x optical zoom telephoto. The S24 Plus and S24, however, share a camera configuration featuring a 50 megapixel main shooter, a 12 megapixel ultra-wide, and a 10 megapixel 3x optical zoom telephoto. Selfies are uniform across the trio though, with a 12 megapixel front camera. Moving on to battery intricacies, the S24 Ultra flaunts the largest at 5,000 mAh. The S24 Plus trails slightly at 4,900 mAh, and the S24 features a 4,000 mAh battery. When it comes to charging though, only the S24 Ultra and S24 Plus support fast 45-watt charging. That means you can charge either one of these phones from 0 to 65% battery life in just 30 minutes. The smaller S24, however, only supports up to 25-watt charging, and you were able to charge it from 0 to about 50% in 30 minutes. All three offer IP68 water resistance, wireless charging, reverse wireless charging, in-display fingerprint sensors, stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, and Wi-Fi 6E for lightning-fast connectivity. So folks, it's decision time. Let's see which one you should buy now. The choice really boils down to personal preferences and budget considerations. The S24 Ultra takes the crown for the largest display, top-notch camera system, S Pen functionality, and premium build, albeit at a premium price. That may be what some people want, and that might be you. Now, for $300 less, the S24 Plus strikes a balance, offering an impressive display, massive battery, and premium experience, minus the S Pen, advanced camera system, and titanium frame. The base S24, however, the budget-friendly option, is easily usable with one hand and packs a punch with usability and performance, but it maxes out at 256 gigabytes of storage. As long as you get the Snapdragon variant, however, it's going to be equally as powerful as the S24 Plus. If you do need more storage though, I'd look toward the S24 Plus or the S24 Ultra instead. My personal pick happens to be, you guessed it, the S24 Ultra. I simply wanted the best build, the larger display, the S Pen, and the advanced camera system. The S24 Ultra aligns best with my wants and needs. But your ideal choice hinges on your specific needs and price tolerance. Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, thanks for continuing to support my channel, and stay tuned for more in-depth hands-on comparisons. See you next time.